What is up, guys? It's Rage TV 2.0, bringing you back a video, first of the newest channel, other than my gaming channel, Rage TV YT. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a paracord handle for the Hydroflask lid, just by looping paracord around those metal pieces. And I've seen other videos on how to make them with like a wraparound and cord lock, or cobra weave cord lock if you don't have a cord lock, buckle. And I have not seen any videos on how to make one of these. So I thought of it the other day, made it while I was off camera, and wanted to show you guys how to make one of these without a buckle. And then next week I will be posting one on how to make one with a buckle, whether it's the small one like this or the normal size buckles like this for like watch bands. So, without further ado, we're going to get started. You'll need, I have 17.5 inches of white paracord that will cinch together and wrap it around those loops. About 95 inches of the neon green and black paracord, because this one will not have a buckle. You need scissors, lighter. I've been using the Zippo with the butane insert. And you'll need Hydroflask lid. Now, you'll have to get this rubber one off first, and these are a bit little tricky if you haven't been doing them already, of taking them off, so it's kind of easy for me. So you got your lid. You will take both ends of your white paracord, or whatever color you choose, and you want to melt those ends, singe them together, not like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because it'll be like the halfway point of where your loops are going to be. Sorry if I'm stuttering, I'm kind of tired. So like one loop will be right here, so we'll hold that off. And then the other loop will be right here, and then your weave will be in like the center of it. So it won't really matter. But if you want to clean it up a bit, you can always do so. So, starting off on one end of the paracord loop, I'm going to pull that through. Then you want to take your paracord of the color you choose for the knot. I'm going to be doing a cobra weave knot, and it's off camera, but you got center the paracord just so you can make that knot with no issues. And you want to put it underneath that. I'm struggling. So with that centered, you want to make a... Okay, so I did it off camera. I ended the recording before starting this video, and struggled a little bit. So I got the first knot down. Basically just a cobra weave. You loop it around the front end like so. Take this working end underneath and through the loop. And then it'll be the opposite where this loop is at on this side. So all you have to do is take the loop, working end, underneath the paracord, through that loop, and then tie it down. like so. And you just got to keep doing that until you get to the very end. And if you want to keep it like kind of where mine is at, you can, just so it matches that sticker that I have right here. And then, so we'll take this end, wrap that around, through the loop, pull it through, and then tie it. Like I said, keep going till you get to the very end. And what I like to do as I'm making it all the way down to the end, I'll take the loop and I'll start looping it once I get to around here, just so I have that in the loophole, so it's easier for me to knot everything together. And we will keep doing this till we get to the end, and then I will show you what to do after. So we are going to time lapse this so that we can get it done quicker. And just make sure you hold onto that white strand or whatever color you're using. So once you get to where it's melted and cinched together, I would suggest making the knot tighter so that it wouldn't go all the way and break that paracord. As you can see, it's already struggling to knot tight enough. So all you got to do is that. And then back to your normal tying technique. Then, since this one's all a little jacked up, I'm going to start looping it through around that metal post, and then keep tension on it when you're tying so that you can keep straightening that paracord out, because as you can see, mine's a little twisted. Doesn't cooperate. Okay. I'm gonna unloop it from a little metal piece, and then keep tying until I'm gonna start like till we get to around here, because it'll be easier to put that loop back on, and then we can finish off the knots of the cobra weave, and then cut, melt, and we will be done. Okay. Now that it's at that point, start looping it to a little metal piece. And it will be a struggle trying to make the last few knots of the cobra weave, just because of where that loop is at, and there's no open area back here. So what I've been doing is same procedure for cobra weave, except wrapping it up top and then looping it through, so that way you can make that knot with no issue. Same with the other end. Wrap it up top, follow it by that loop, pull that end through, and make your knot. And then I typically go until I get to like right around there. So it should be just this one that we need to do. If not, one more. All right. That was perfect. Get our last knots tightened. And there you have it. Paracord Hydroflask handle without a buckle. Like I said, next week I will do one with a buckle, and I will show you how to do it with the standard small buckle and then a like watch band buckle. So there we have it. All we will have to do is take off the handle off of the loop, just this end, kind of like push it up a little bit, just like that. And then we will take our scissors, cut right there. These scissors need sharpened, man. Okay. So, cut. Take your lighter and melt that end. Kind of push it in a bit so it's a little even with the knot. Set that to the side. Then you'll take your scissors again. Same thing. Cut that end. And then melt it. Push it against the knot. Then put your loop back over, like so. And there you have it. Paracord handle for a Hydroflask lid. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe. And I will talk to you all later.